What is the best type of smoke detector for a rental? If you are a property owner or investor, you may be asking yourself what the best type of smoke detector is for your rental properties. This is an important question, as the right smoke detector can significantly impact tenant safety and property management. Let's break down the options available to you. First, you have ionization smoke detectors. These detectors are great for sensing fast-flaming fires, which produce smaller smoke particles. They work by ionizing the air within the device. When smoke disrupts this ionization, the alarm goes off. This type of detector is particularly useful in kitchens, where quick fires can occur. However, be aware that they may trigger false alarms from cooking smoke or steam. Next, there are photoelectric smoke detectors. These devices are designed to detect smoldering, slow-burning fires by using a light sensor. When smoke particles scatter the light beam, the alarm activates. Photoelectric detectors are better suited for living areas and bedrooms, where smoldering fires are more likely. They generally have fewer false alarms from cooking, making them a solid choice for common living spaces. Now, let's talk about dual sensor smoke detectors. These models combine both ionization and photoelectric technologies, providing the best of both worlds. They are highly recommended for rental units because they offer comprehensive protection against various fire types. This can significantly improve tenant safety and reduce liability for property owners. When considering smoke detectors for your rental, think about hardwired models with battery backup. These are often preferred for their reliability and compliance with many local safety codes. Battery-only units are easier to install but requiring regular battery replacements, which can be a hassle for tenants. Interconnected smoke detectors are another great option. When one alarm detects smoke, all alarms in the system will sound. This feature is especially useful in multi-unit buildings, enhancing overall safety. Also, consider smoke detectors with long-life sealed batteries that can last up to 10 years. These reduce maintenance needs and tenant complaints about chirping low batteries. Additionally, combination smoke and carbon monoxide detectors can provide extra safety and may be required by law in some areas. If you want to go a step further, smart smoke detectors with app alerts and voice notifications can improve communication with tenants. However, they do come with a higher upfront cost. Some reliable brands to consider include First Alert, Xsense, and Nest Protect. First Alert offers affordable hardwired models with ionization sensors that are popular among rental property owners. Xsense and Nest Protect provide advanced features like dual sensors and smart connectivity. In summary, the best smoke detector for rental properties is typically a dual sensor model that is hardwired with battery backup. Interconnected systems and carbon monoxide detection are also beneficial. This setup balances safety, reliability, and ease of maintenance, which is essential for property investors managing multiple rentals. Tailoring the type of detector to specific rooms and ensuring compliance with local fire codes will further protect both tenants and your investment.